Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Estelvina. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and join the fam. Today's video is all about this gorgeous eye look. I got a new palette from I think it's Qing Beauty, and it was just an ad on my Facebook that kept popping up, and eventually I got sucked in. I really wanted to try it for myself, and it ended up amazing. Spoiler alert, sorry. But I really love this eye look. I'm so feeling it today. This is something that I would love to recreate all the time. With a nude lip, it is just perfect. I just love this look for real, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested in learning about the new palette I got or about how to achieve this beautiful eye look, then definitely just keep watching. So I'm really excited for today's video, so let's just jump right in. I just saw it all over Facebook and I thought I'd give it a try because the palette looked beautiful. When I looked up reviews, it seemed too good to be true. But yeah, so I ordered this on May 29th. It came June 8th, so just over a week. It was actually really quick and I was pretty impressed. First, the packaging pretty normal, but when you feel it, it is like so thick and like so protected. This is like a huge bubble wrap. This is so cool. I got the palette that was called Exotic Pop. This was just the one that was advertised to me. 88 colors for 35 bucks I thought was a heck of a deal. With everyone raving about this, I thought, why not give it a chance? Let's open this baby together. I love these glitters at the bottom. I'm not sure how well they'll hold up, but we are gonna give that a try today. Guys, this is a really good mirror. Like, I'm just filming with my phone. Look how clear you can see that. Hello. I'm going to put concealer on my eyes first. I'm going to be using color Pumpkin and just kind of putting that. My earring just gave up life. Ooh, I can already see color. You know what? I'm going to zoom you guys in. We're going to get super personal. So I really didn't pick up that much and I'm already starting to see color. I'm going to start with the color Sunshine, which is a mustardy yellow. I'm going to pack it into my inner corner. I'm going to take a bit of Upbeat and a bit of Spice to add to the outer corner. So I'm actually just adding the same color, but kind of keeping it into that outer corner and building that color up a bit. Trust the process, I always say. I'm actually going to go in with a bit of glitter. I'm going to be using the color Honey. I'm going to swatch it real quick with my finger. This is the payoff with that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Let's put it on the eye. Just going to pat it on there. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm going to take some of the color Crimson and deepen up the outer corner. And I'm going to go in with Plum to deepen it up even more. Using your finger is definitely the way to go if you want to pack it in. I'm going to leave it like this and kind of clean up the eye a little bit to get an idea of what it's kind of looking like. So far, I love the blend of these colors on the end. Yeah, I'm just going to do the rest of my face and then we'll come back and we'll finish with the eyes. Okay, so I just finished my full face and I cleaned up a little bit and I added eyeliner just to hurry the process along because eyeliner takes a little bit. So far, I've noticed that the glitter definitely falls onto your clothing, so I would watch out for that. Maybe adding a glitter glue would help kind of secure it into place to help it from falling off, even though in my experience with glitter glue still, the glitter will come off. But again, that's completely normal to me. I didn't expect it to just superbly stick on or anything. And I think this look still looks really pretty. Right now I'm going to finish the bottom of the eye. I'm going to go in with crimson and kind of just smoke it out. And I'm going to take spice and buff it out in the middle. I'm going to take some plum and just kind of add it up to that wing. And I think that's how I'm going to leave that. Next, I'm just going to add some eyelashes so that we can complete this look and then go over the makeup. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is actually a really, really gorgeous look. I love that the glitter is just so vibrant and so in your face, and it just adds so much to the eyes. This palette worked well with each other. I will still say that the glitter does tend to fall out really easily, and I'm pretty much covered in glitter, to be honest, but if we all do our makeup before getting dressed, you should be okay. I love that this palette was able to do this and give me this type of look. It wasn't very hard. They were easy to work with. They were very blendable. I love that the palette was really $35. It advertised for $35. And then when you go to checkout and stuff, it kind of is obviously more because of shipping. But after getting your discount code, which you can get, I believe, 10% off when you sign up for their email right there, it actually still ended up being just around 35 bucks. I think I paid maybe 36. But yeah, so you kind of pay for what's advertised. The palette is ginormous. The mirror is gorgeous. It's just, all in all, I would give it a 5 out of 5, really. There's nothing really disappointing. The glitter thing I kind of half expected, so that's not a bad thing at all. And yeah, I'm really feeling this look today. It's so cute. I'm actually so happy with it. Let me know if you guys like this look. Would you recreate it? Is this something wearable to you? And if you guys are thinking about buying the palette, definitely, definitely give it a go. Shipping was fast. It came in great condition. That is how I'm gonna leave you guys today. Let me know what you think of this look. Please subscribe down below. I would love to add you to the fam. Please hit that notification bell so that you know when my new videos do come out. And give this video a big thumbs up if you think this look is beautiful just as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!